In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the startup page in Google Chrome. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see the three-dot menu, which is also called the More menu. Click those three dots to open the drop-down list of options. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the main Chrome settings page, where you can manage how the browser behaves. On the left side of the settings page, there is a sidebar with different categories. Find and click the option labeled On Startup. Inside the On Startup section, you will see three choices. The first option is Open the New Tab page. If you select this, Chrome will start with the default New Tab screen. That usually includes the Google search bar and shortcuts to sites you visit often. The second option is Continue where you left off. If you choose this, Chrome will reopen the tabs that were open the last time you closed the browser. This can be helpful if you regularly work across several tabs and want to return to them without reopening each one manually. The third option is Open a specific page or set of pages. This lets Chrome automatically open one website or several websites every time it starts. This option is useful if you always begin your day on the same pages, such as a dashboard, email site, or news page. Simply select the option that matches your preference. Once you click it, Chrome saves the change automatically, so there is usually no need to press a separate Save button. If you ever want to change it again, just return to the same On Startup section and choose a different option. That covers everything you need to know.